Yes, children, this one is very interesting one. So take your political map. So all you have political map, right? Yeah. And today you are going to learn about states. Okay? States and its capital. So in this session I will tell you about states. Okay? And upcoming session you'll be learning about remaining things, and for your better understanding today we can learn 10 states. But totally how many states we have? We have 28 states and 9 union territories. Before that, how many states we had? 29 states and 7 union territories. But now 28 states and 9 union territories. Understood? Okay. Stay tuned and listen. So take your, now you have to work. Okay? This is not like listening session. Both. Okay? You have to listen and you want to complete the task what I am telling. So hope you all are ready with your map. Take your map first. First we can come from bottom. Okay? So I will teach you from bottom. So last session I hope you all learned that metropolitan cities where it is located, I said, right? So together we can see. Okay? Now I am going to tell you only the states. Okay? Children, before what we learned, you learned about what map? Very good. World map. So this is that world map, right? So this is the map which you learned in, that is previous class, that is last month you learned about this thing, right? And see here, so in this map you learned about oceans and continents. This blue area is water bodies, right? And this one is land masses. So in this, which is our continent? Asia. Which is our continent? Asia. So in Asia, that is our continent. And what about our country? What about our country? Our country is, what is our country? This is Asia and our country is India. What is our country name? Our country is, it is not located here, I am just showing you, okay? India. Our country name, India. And what is our state? Our state is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. So now we are going to learn about India. What are all the states are there? So here it is like a world map. So only we can able to learn continents, right? So in this map, that is India, political, we are going to learn what are all the 28 states and its union territories. Ready? So this is the what map? Very good. Political map. India political map. Likewise, for each thing, they have their political map. So now we are going to learn about India political map. First one is, we can start from here. We can start from here. Listen. Children, just see this picture. Okay, before going for map, I will tell you one thing. Just draw the cardinal directions. This is very important. Use capital letter. So north, south, west, east. For your understanding, here also please make a note. North, south, west and east. Yeah. And see here. This looks like a dinosaur. Can you all able to see this? Wait, I will tell you. See here, this is the head part of the dinosaur. Here is the body and this one is the leg and here is the tail. Just imagine like that so that it will be very easy to read 4 states. Okay? And take your sketch and draw like this. You sketch and draw like this. I'll be waiting. Please do it. So that I will be waiting, my dear children. Please take your black sketch and get more than 4 or 5 political map. Okay? So that it will be very easy to understand. And same time it is not like world map. If it is world map, continents and oceans are very easy, so that easily we can label. This is not difficult one but very interesting one. Okay? So map work you like very much. Is it so, my dear children? So sketch, color pencil, everything we are going to use. Okay, color it. So if you want, you please pause it and do it. Yeah. Over. Okay, children. So now we are going to fill this dinosaur. Okay. The head part is Gujarat. Please write it. So children, reduce the font size and write. Don't write too big. Okay. Only this much of space you have. Okay. So write Gujarat. I will be telling the spelling. You don't want to see here. Please see the place where you want to write. Gujarat. Gujarat. Even if you want, you can write straight also. This portion is Gujarat. So that where you want, you can write. Okay. So this head part is Gujarat. G-U-J-A-R-A-T. Gujarat. G-U-J-A-R-A-T. And one more information, children. Always while you are labeling map, it should be in capital letter. Capital letter. You don't want to use pen. Please go ahead with pen. Later on we can use pen or sketches. Now please use only pencil. Sharpen your pencil and write it. Gujarat. G-U-J-A-R-A-T. G-U-J-A-R-A-T. So the head part of dinosaur is Gujarat. G-U-J-A-R-A-T. Over. Yeah. Come to the that is body part. This body part is what is it? Madhya Pradesh. M-A. Write it. So along with me you can also write. Okay, this Madhya Pradesh. Even if you want, you can write in this line. It will be very easy. This Gujarat also you can label here. In that line itself. Gujarat. Here write Madhya Pradesh. M-A-D. M-A-D-H-Y-A. M-A-D-H-Y-A. Madhya. P-R-A-D-E. D for dog. D-E-S-H. So, this body part is, this is stomach, right? The stomach part is Madhya Pradesh. The stomach part is Madhya Pradesh. M-A-D-H-Y-A. P-R-A-D-E-S-H. Next, shall we go for tail or leg? So, leg we can complete. This leg is what? This leg is Chhattisgarh. What is it? Chhattisgarh. Start to write. So, this inside where you want you can write. So, I will start from here. C-H, 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 H-A-T, H-A-T, T-I-S, T-I-S, G-A, G-A or H. Chhattisgarh. What is it? Chhattisgarh. The leg portion is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh. Repeat it. Chhattisgarh. Now, tail. Where is it? Here. This tail is jar. You can remember the salt jar is there in your home, right? So, remember that. Okay. Jar. Kant. Rajnikant. Rajnikant. This is Jharkhand, not Kant. Jharkhand. So, Jharkhand. Remember like that. J-H-A-R. Jar at your home. So, jar. Like Rajnikant. This is Kant. K-H-A-N-D. Not Kant. Don't say Jharkhand. Jharkhand. It should be end with D. Jharkhand. Jharkhand. Okay. So now we completed this thing, right? So dinosaur is over. Here this head is what? Very good. Gujarat. And stomach Madhya Pradesh. So this complete area where you want you can write it. Okay. So but write it neatly. And this one is Chhattisgarh. This is leg portion. And the tail is Jharkhand. Now, somebody is hiding in this bush. Who's that? Tiger is hidden in this side. So, where? This place. You know very well this place is what? West Bengal. What is it? West Bengal. So Bengali tiger. We are telling no. So that remember the tiger which hides in this bushes. So that dinosaur is here. It is hiding in this place. So here who's there? West Bengal. Write it. W-E-S-T. West. W-E-S-T. West Bengal. B-E-N-G-A-L. West Bengal. It should be, you should write inside that. Sorry, it came out. Please, you write it inside. Okay. West Bengal. W-E-S-T. West. B-E-N-G-A-L. West Bengal. Over. So now we completed this dinosaur and the tiger which is hiding inside this bush. That is West Bengal. So the next thing what you want to do, yeah, which you like very much. What is this? I have different color pencils, right? So for each state we are going to color differently. So any color you can do, okay? So I took Gujarat. Color it neatly. First always color this borders, end. I think you people are very well versed in this coloring, right? So always you people are drawing something, right? So Gujarat. So once you color, take some rough paper. Take some rough paper so that, so use like this. This you know very well, right? Next color, any different color. So Gujarat something we give different color. So we don't want to use same color for next one. So Madhya Pradesh, I am going with some other different color. So use it. Likewise, next one is what? Chhattisgarh, some other color. Okay. So color it. And for next is Jharkhand, some other different color I am using. See here. So green. And next one is West Bengal. I am using yellow color. Yellow color. So that it will be very easy, right? This is West Bengal. So West Bengal, yellow color. That's it. Very beautiful, right? So like that, whether you all colored, I'm waiting for you. Please see this dinosaur and tiger. So that now, how many states we learned? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Shall we go for next one? The next thing is this center. See here, down of this Madhya Pradesh which starts with M. Likewise, next here also M. This you know very well. Here what you learnt? Yes, Bombay. So that this state is what? Maharashtra. This one you are very familiar. Write it. M-A-H-A-R-A-S-H-T-R-A. M-A-H-A-R-A-S-H-T-R-A. M-A-H-A or A, you keep it. M-A-H-A-R-A-S-H-T-R-A. Over. Okay, this is Maharashtra. Next one is down. We can see this. Okay. See this thing. This looks like a mountain. This always use black sketch and color this border so that it will be very easy to write other things. Okay. So color it neatly. See. So take your own time and pause this video and first color these things so that it will be very clear. So children, I colored. So you people please pause the video and color it. Okay. Next, this looks like mountain, right? This looks like mountain. So that this mountain is what? So before that is this complete area was Andhra Pradesh. This was Andhra Pradesh. But now this Andhra Pradesh is divided into two parts. Here is Andhra Pradesh and here is Telangana. This is Telangana. Telangana. Remember the Telugu language. Okay, you know Telugu somebody is speaking, no? So that maybe few are speaking Telugu. So you please remember that Telangana. This is Telangana and this is Andhra Pradesh. But before, this complete area is Andhra Pradesh. Now it has been divided into two. So this is Telangana. Write it. This mountain is Telangana. Remember, somebody is going for mountain to speak Telugu language. Okay. So this one is Telangana. 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 So next, just see to the west side. This is the left of you. Here, see here, what is this one? Near to this Telangana. So first we can see this. See down. What is this? This which looks like Veenai. Do you all see this Veenai? So see the picture. Here it is there, right? So that is Veenai. What is it? Veenai. So children, see here. What is this? Dinosaur, right? So completely see here. Dinosaur. Here also we have this dinosaur, right? So this is head. This body is here, and the next thing is leg. So here 4 legs are there. Just remember, leg is here and this tail portion. So this tail is here. Understood? So this is dinosaur, and tiger or dinosaur which hiding in the, why I am saying tiger in the sense, mostly Bengal tiger we usually tell, right? So that's why I am telling West Bengal which is famous for tiger. So that tiger which is hiding inside the bush, in the bush. Okay. So this is dinosaur. The next thing, listen carefully. This one is Veena. This one is Veena. So here I will tell you, I will show you the Veena. Listen. This is the shape of the Veena. This is the shape of the Veena. Okay, so shape of the Veena. See here, this is Veena. Here also Veena. So what is this Veena? Andhra Pradesh. This Veena is Andhra Pradesh. Shall we write? Yes. ANDH. Right? ANDH or A. Andhra Pradesh. PRADESH. Andhra Pradesh. So this one is Andhra Pradesh. So which looks like Veena. So if you want, please color it so that easily you can see that shape. See here, Veena, and here also Veena. This looks like Veena. Next one, near to this Veena, somebody is sitting. See the shape? The shape is like that. What is that? That is Karnataka. So Karnataka. Shall we write? It is the K. So Karnataka. K-A-R-N-A. Taka. T-A-K-A. Karnataka. K-A-R-N-A-T-A-K-A. K-A-R-N-A-T-A-K-A. So this one is Karnataka, and one friend is there for Karnataka. Who's that? Here, this one is Goa. Goa, very famous place for beaches, right? Goa. Write it. So this is the smallest state. This is the smallest state in our country. This one is smallest state. So this one is Goa. The next thing is, children, what is this? What is this vegetable? Of course, this one is bitter gourd. What is it? Bitter gourd. So, what is the shape here in this map? Which is the shape of the bitter gourd? See here. Yes, this one is the shape of the bitter gourd. So, this bitter gourd, or you can remember boat race. See, this is the shape of that boat, right? So, Kerala is very famous for boat. That boat, race boat, right? So, Kerala. K-E. Shall we write here? So, remember boat shape. This is in the shape of boat. So, that here Kerala. K-E. K-E-R-A-L-A. 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 Kerala. So, near to Kerala, who's there? Our state. Which is our state? Which is our last one is our state, Tamil Nadu. T-A-M-I-L. Tamil Nadu. N-A-D-U. Tamil Nadu. T-A-M-I-L. N-A-D-U. Tamil Nadu. So, this is very easy, our state. So, in metropolitan city, 4 we learned in that is Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Delhi. Upcoming we can see when we are going for top. So, we completed this bottom portion. I think, hope you all are clear with this thing, right? So, here dinosaur is there. What is this? Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. Children, please repeat it along with me. Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal. So, over. Dinosaur over. Next, here. This tail is Chhattisgarh. Near that is M. Maharashtra. Maharashtra. This mountain is Telangana. And down Andhra Pradesh, that is Vinay. This is Vinay. That one is Andhra Pradesh. Near to Andhra Pradesh, who's that? Karnataka. So inside Karnataka, one friend is that is Goa. And here bitter gourd or boat, race boat. You can remember anything. So Kerala is very famous for boat race. So it is in the shape of boat. So that Kerala. So near to Kerala, our state, Tamil Nadu. That's it, my dear children. So today, just write the states and submit it. Color it neatly, okay? And write these directions. Use only capital letter and reduce the font size. Thank you, children. Children, I just left this thing. Please see it. This alone we can complete, okay? That is below to Chhattisgarh, one is there. What is this? This one is Odisha. What is it? Odisha. So we can think, you can think like that is bottom to West Bengal, okay? Down of West Bengal or down of Jharkhand or Chhattisgarh. So 3 is here. So down of that, this Odisha has 3 friends. See here, West Bengal, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. So remember like that and write Odisha. O-D-I-S-H-A. Odisha. O-D-I-S-H-A. Odisha. O-D-I-S-H-A. Odisha. So at last, please color for all the things. See, I will show you. It should be like this, okay? So use different color pencil and just color it. Here for your better understanding, I just color here because this is, very well in first session you learned, right? We have Bay of Bengal that we can see later, okay? So you please color only for this part, okay? Only for this thing. So color it, use different color, okay? That is your wish. Submit it neatly.